Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars. And is there a YouTube channel about cars that you think I should check out? I mean, one that you watch religiously? If so, be sure to leave that in the comments because I want to see it. Today on my segment called Car Chili, I'm going to tell you about the YouTube channels that I watch. Videos about cars that I think you should check out. Now, some of them are huge channels. You probably already know about them. But some of them are small channels and some of them are startup channels. And I'm going to tell you about just a few of them today and let you know about some recent videos that they've posted. First of all, we're going to talk about Big Car. As you know, I'm a huge fan of Big Car. I don't know much about cars from Europe and from England, so Big Car gives me the opportunity to learn about an entire new generation and culture of cars that I didn't know anything about growing up here in the United States. And to top it off, Big Car earned their license plate. They've been a huge part of our success, very supportive, and a big shout out to Big Car. They just did a video last week on the Ford Escort. Now, you like the Ford Escort? The one in Europe, right? This was a big deal. The Ford Escort was a huge success there. And they do a great job. He does a great job of breaking it down, generation by generation, going all over all of the cars. They had some amazing models. You're going to want to be sure to check that out. So check that out on Big Car. As always, I'll put the link in the description. The next is Texas Oatmeal. Do you know what a Vanderhall is? All right, you probably don't. A lot of people don't. But the Vanderhall is a super cool three-wheeled car. And on Texas Oatmeal, he owns one of these vehicles. And it's not just one of those where someone drives it for a few hours and tells you what it's like. This is someone that lives every day with a Vanderhall. And what's really cool, not only is it videos that show us, what is life like having one, but also he machines and crafts a lot of special parts for it, wind deflectors and other things that are custom. And he does a lot of custom paint and a lot of great things with his Vanderhall. And he just did a great show on like the 5 things that drive him crazy basically about the Vanderhall. It is a must watch. You're gonna want to see it. Next is Mohr Motorcycle Adventures. This is a small channel. It hasn't been around long, but it's one I think you should check out, especially if you like motorcycles and if you like just going out for rides and going on adventures. He documents those and has great videos of just going out and riding. And this video that he posted last week was basically cooking systems for motorcycle camping. So he did a video on cooking system for motorcycle camping. It kind of goes through the routine of what he packs along and what he prepares. That's a good little channel. You're going to be sure and check that one out. From there, of course, we go to Doughnut Media. Doughnut Media is posting, I think, 6 videos a week now during this time. So they have a ton of different segments. A lot of them are great. They just did one on front-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive, right? What the battle and the fierce competitiveness of the 2 different formats, and they broke those down and went over those. I thought they did a great job on that, so that's one you're going to want to see on Doughnut Media. And from there, we go to, of course, Mr. Doug Demuro. Now, you're used to Doug Demuro. You're used to his reviews of cars. I don't miss one. I got to tell you, I watch every one of them. By the time they're done, I don't know that I need to buy the car because I feel like I know everything about it inside and out. But he has another channel called More Doug. And on that, he does more videos that they're not vlogs necessarily, but they just kind of break down his thoughts on cars, what's happening in the industry. And he did one about how the COVID-19 virus is affecting his channel. And so he broke down about the fact that he, what he's doing now, that he had some videos that were already in the can, some situations that he had that arose with his basement flooding here recently. It's a really good behind the scenes look at his show, and it's something I really like to watch. I like seeing behind the scenes. I love to see them when they're on stage and how we're used to seeing them, but I also think it's cool when it's a little more real and you get to see behind the scenes. So you're going to want to check out Doug Demuro on More Doug. So that's my car chili update of this week. You need to watch Big Car, right? Mohr Motorcycle Adventures, Texas Oatmeal, of course, always Doug Demuro, and Doughnut Media. So be sure to check those out. Remember to like, comment, and share. Let me know which shows you watch. I want to check those out. And let's talk about cars tomorrow.